how to reset TikTok password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok application on your device. After opening up, you will be able to see this interface or homepage of TikTok where you can swipe and watch the other videos. So in order to reset your TikTok password, you need to first log into your account. For that, you have to tap on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and from over here you have to go for an existing account where you have to go for use phone, email or username option, and here a phone number or email or username option will be arrive. You have to swipe for email or username. Here you have to enter your username. After entering, you need to go for forget password option, and you have to select whether you want to verify it to phone number or email. I'm going for email, and after that you have to enter your email address over here and go for reset. So a code has been emailed to the email that you have saved, so you have to go through your Gmail account and you can see a verification code has been sent. So you have to copy this code and go back and enter the code over here. And after doing that, you will be able to reset your password over here and go for login. And by following this simple step, you'll be able to reset your password and also log into your account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.